Hello, beautiful people of the internet, and welcome to Extravagant Munchies. My name is Jacqueline, and in this video, I am going to show you how to make these beautiful, simple, and delicious vegan sushi cups for your next get-together/party, post-COVID, of course. So if you want to learn how to trick your family and friends into thinking that they're eating fish, or you just want an appetizer that will really wow your guests, both looks and taste-wise, then keep on watching. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more Extravagant Munchies. And be sure to follow Extravagant Munchies on Instagram for even more vegan inspo. Without further ado, let's make vegan sushi cups. Here's what you'll need. 2 hothouse tomatoes, cucumber, avocado, green onion, ginger, soy sauce, sesame oil, sesame seeds, red chili flakes, nori sheets, and garlic ginger wonton strips. First thing we need to do is cut a shallow X on the bottom of each tomato. Next, drop both tomatoes into a pot of boiling water for 2 minutes, but no more. The goal is not to cook the tomato. Drop the tomatoes into an ice bath. This is going to stop the tomatoes from cooking and shock them so that we can easily pull the tomato skins off. While those are cooling off, we're going to make a sushi/poke sauce with the soy sauce, sesame oil, green onion, sesame seeds, red chili flakes, and minced ginger. I would recommend using pre-minced ginger from the Ginger People because it blends into the sauce really well. Once the tomatoes are cool to the touch, remove them from the ice bath and bring them over to your cutting board to peel the skins off. The skins at this point should peel off very easily. Removing the tomato skin reveals the fleshy part of the tomato, which looks very similar to raw fish. Removing the skin will also make it easier for the tomatoes to soak up as much sauce as possible. Definitely do this step and the next one over a bowl so you can save all of the skin and liquid. The next step is to slice the tomatoes into 4 or 5 large slices so that you can scoop all of the liquid and seeds out from the inner cavities. You can do this with the back of your knife, a spoon, or just your clean hands. I like to put all the seeds and liquid into an ice cube tray and freeze them for future soups or stews. Definitely don't let this go to waste though. Next, dice the tomatoes into little bite-sized pieces. And then add them to the sauce, mix well, then set aside while we prep everything else. We are going to mince some cucumber. You can use 2 Persian cucumbers or 1 regular cucumber. Next, we're going to mash up 1 large avocado. I only showed half here, but I actually needed a whole one to have enough for 48 mini sushi cups. We're also going to make sriracha mayo. I used about 1/3 of a cup of vegan mayo and adjusted the sriracha to my liking. Do the same for yours. Last but not least, we're going to cut or tear our nori sheets into 4 smaller squares. And then it's time to assemble. Place a nori sheet onto your mini cupcake tray, centering it over a cup, and scoop about a tablespoon of cooked rice on top. It's important that the rice is warm when you do this so that the nori sticks to it better. Dip a clean ramekin or shot glass into a bowl of water before using it to gently and slowly press the rice and nori down into the mini cupcake mold. You want to do this firmly, yet carefully so that you don't rip the nori. Give the ramekin a gentle twist before lifting up so that no rice sticks to the bottom. Repeat this for as many cups as you want to make. My tray holds a total of 48 cups. I got it at Michael's, but I will also leave a link to a similar tray below. If you want to spice things up a little, you can also layer a seasoned nori snack sheet over the regular nori, and this is just a fun way to add more nori and extra flavor to the cups. The hardest part is over, and now we get to add all the fun toppings. I add the avocado and cucumber first, and then I add the vegan tuna or poke on top. And can I just brag for a second and say that I once made these for a party, didn't tell anyone that it was vegan, and people legit thought that it was fish and were surprised when I told them it was tomato. Proudest moment of my life. And I personally think that this is a great strategy for getting skeptical people to try vegan food. Just don't tell them that it's vegan, wait for them to try it, love it, and then drop the bomb. And then they'll be begging you for the recipe. You're welcome. Lastly, we're going to top this off with sriracha mayo and the garlic ginger wonton crisps. I am telling you people, these are so tasty. They are the perfect little crunchy, creamy, soy saucy sushi bites. They're easy to transport, just loosely cover the top with some foil. And I mean, just look at them, they're so cute. Who wouldn't be happy to see you show up with a giant tray of these? Another way you can enjoy this if you're just by yourself and you don't feel like making the cups is to just scoop some rice and all the toppings onto 2 seasoned nori sheets and eat them like mini sushi tacos. So good. That is it for these vegan sushi cups. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you thought of these. Share this with a friend who would love them, and if you try this out, be sure to take a picture and tag me on Instagram. I love seeing and sharing your photos, and I keep all of them on my Instagram highlight called Featuring You. Thank you so much for watching. You all are the best, and until the next video, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay extravagant. Bye!